Alright guys, Bully Kid here checking in. Today we are working on the 8th gen Honda Civic right here. Definitely a nicer day than the previous days we've been having, so it's time to get some of the last minute maintenance work done on the vehicle before the winter season hits. And this vehicle luckily doesn't need much. Currently we are changing the engine oil. Again, I always gonna vouch Pennzoil Platinum full synthetic in this bad boy. This one is not a high mileage. Sometimes I do put in high mileage because it's only available in 520 in a specific store, but if I don't see high mileage, I'm usually trying to get the non-high mileage one. I don't know, for some reason I feel like I'd rather just have the non-high mileage one than the additional additives that are there for the high mileage one. Engine has no leaks, so I don't see a reason to put the high mileage engine oil in there. One thing that is interesting right here on this oil filter, you can see, let me wipe it down for you guys. One thing that I noticed right here in the oil filter is this paint chipping and these stress marks on this filter. So never seen that before. It's very interesting. You guys always gotta look out for the construction of the oil filter. I love Purolator filters, I love Wix filters, but sometimes, depending on where your location is of the oil filter under the car, you might have to get a tougher metal filter. Because if you're racing, let's say, and the rock hits the oil filter, creates the puncture, now you lose oil pressure, you blow the motor. So luckily for my Honda Civic, there's a little shield by the oil filter, and it will protect it from most debris flying on the road. But yeah, this might have been something that hit it, started chipping. Again, you can see the stress marks right over here, so that is something to consider. If you are really serious, you might create a shield around the oil filter if you don't have one in your vehicle. Anyway guys, I did take off this wheel. I am going to do an update video on the Nakamoto Power Series brakes. I've been running these for about 700-800 miles, and I'll do a review on that. I will also do another review on the camber bolts right here that I've been running for about 3 months. Give you my honest opinion on that. And again guys, let's change this oil. 4 quarts of 520 full synthetic goes into this vehicle. And the beauty of this is, not sure if you'll be able to see inside, but that engine is squeaky clean. There's no sludge buildup. Pennzoil Platinum does an amazing job cleaning out the engine and flushing it out, all that dirt and debris, with the oil where it belongs. Cameraman here.